have made really the coolest engine with the warmest color in a small footprint. Now, what does that mean? The coolest engine means that we really have a very cool device that allows you to have a much lower operational expenditure. With warm colors, the colors are very vibrant, they're very alive, and the small footprint means it's very shallow, but it also means we have a small ecological footprint. So green is really important for us. We are using recyclable materials and reduced the weight and depth by at least 30%. If you think about LEDs, and you think about LEDs which are delivering really high brightness onto a very small device, which is a DLP chip, the temperature inside the LED is very critical. Only 10 degrees Celsius on the LED itself makes a difference of half the lifetime. That is a law of physics. In our case, we really stand by our number that we have an LED working for 5 years, 50,000 hours. And we do that by really cooling the LED where it has to be cooled, so on the LED itself. We do that by applying liquid cooling, which we investigated over many years now. It's also very reliable and used in the past CRT and also in cars, graphical cards, CPUs and so on. And we really believe that this can make a difference in achieving that promised lifetime. LED has a much larger color gamut. That means you can have much more vibrant colors or more saturation. The reds and the yellow are much more pronounced. We have pioneered Sense6 and also patented that technology way back when we started to conceive our previous series called D2, lamp-based. And we decided to copy that design, built upon that experience into our LED system. However, we have found that the measuring device or color sensor is not accurate enough to measure LED. Therefore, we have decided to put in a full spectrometer. A spectrometer is a device you typically use outside to calibrate a wall. So in this case, we have really built that spectrometer inside each of those tubes. It is much more accurate, can measure the color and the brightness, sends that information to one central location. Every tube compares that information, a common target is defined, and then all tubes are continuously, hourly, without any intervention, readjusted to that color and brightness point. So green was really a target that we gave our engineers from the start to make the product greener. The LED itself is greener because it does not contain mercury. You don't have to throw it away. We also don't have color wheels inside, again less trash. So we made it not only very shallow, we also have an option to make it front accessible, in which case you pretty much eliminate the need for having the service on the back. So you are reducing or eliminating the service space in the back.